Hey guys, if you're familiar with me or the Connor G channel as a whole, you'll know that I don't really treat my stuff the best. And as a result of that, it tends to get messed up. That can be said for these stock plastics. So they're cracked, they're creased all around, so I figured, why not give the bike a little change, give it a refresh with some new plastics, and that's what we're doing today. We're installing CRF50 plastics in black. Now, I don't have a lot of time before my girlfriend gets home, and she will not be happy with me using this living room as a garage again, so let's get this done quick. All right, plastics off. Right, just like that, stock plastics are all off, just the seat. Let's grab the new plastics. All right, I couldn't get the snapper to work, so I just used the drill to get these little tabs off, but this should mount right up now. Okay guys, quick update. We did a little bit of cutting, a little bit of drilling. So this was shortened and then we made this hole a little bigger, so hopefully it all fits. Let's just try and get this together now because we're in a time crunch, baby. Okay, so finally both sides are on. This is the muffler side for the CRF, so it's gonna stick out a bit further, as you can tell by this side. But I only have one bolt in this side right now because I can't get this other one in. I'll come back to it later. I just want to get the other pieces on first. Okay guys, here's how it looks so far. So the only issue I'm running into is trying to get bolts to fit through here. It's kind of a pain in the butt. I might have to drill it out a little bit. And then I just need to zip tie these two things, these two little tabs together because I don't think it'll really fit otherwise. Okay, quick update. This has been a pain in the ass, but I was able to get these bolts and these washers that I just found over laying around the house into here. Now it's secured to the gas tank itself. I don't love the color, but whatever. It was such a bitch though to get these to go in straight because every time you try to stick it in, it would go sideways and it couldn't go into the thread straight. So I had to drill out around here a little more, but now it's on. We just have to secure it in the rear and then put on the new front fender, maybe the front plate, we'll see. Okay people, and there you have it. Black plastics are all on. I think it came out pretty good. I'm still undecided on the front number plate. I'm thinking of maybe putting the black one on that I have over there, but I kind of like the contrast it gives, plus with the black Electro & Co sticker. Looks kind of good with the black. I think it would be perfect if the frame wasn't red, just with the black and then the white number plate. But even now, I feel like it looks pretty dang good. Definitely like the black front fender. This section was definitely the worst to do, I would say. You have to drill some of that out. It's not directly bolt on, you gotta drill some of the stuff out, but it looks pretty sweet. Well guys, pending my girlfriend walking through the door right now, looks like we beat it on the time clock. Took longer than expected, but came out pretty good. So I'm gonna vacuum, get cleaned up before she gets home, but stay tuned, there's still so much more content to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time though, peace.